Lizards keep biting you.
Did you know that guy cars save 100 or more on car insurance?
And a whole lot more.
We're sacrificing in this intense weather. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really raining out here. Here we go. It's raining so hard. Oh my gosh, I don't even have a jacket on. The floor is so slippery. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Oh, it's grabbing it. You see it reaching with its hand? Claw.
Maybe he wants to eat us.
He sees us.
Maybe we should leave. I'm not joking.
He's giving us the eye.
Should we leave?
Yeah, we should leave.
No, he really is coming this way.
That's what they do when they hunt.
Don't blow it? Good job!
So wet out here right now. Ah! Oh my god. This is crazy. We're right by the waterfalls. This is so pretty and we're literally getting super soaked by the waterfall right now.
What do you want?
Can I have some peanut butter? Thank you. I got a bread roll, Brussels sprouts, beans, and chicken. And of course, lemonade, my favorite. We just checked into our hotel for tonight. Isn't it cute? Here's the other room. We just got to this park. We stopped for a little bit. So nice outside right now.
Yeah.
Dinner time. We're having fruit, and my dad is going all the way down to level 1. We were on level 6 to cook a bunch of like meals that we got because we're really quick here. We just checked into our hotel for tonight. It's 7:30 p.m. and it's still 100 degrees outside. It's so hot out here. Now we're in the gas station looking for some food. I'm gonna get this really good looking barbecue chicken sandwich. We're going to our room. Look how pretty these lamps are. Isn't it pretty? So unique. We're heading into a gas station. I'm deciding what I should get for lunch. Look how good these look.
Hello. You're a good dancer.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh, look at the nice view. We're almost at the top.
Oh my god. Oh my god, stop.